go. Okay. 先定位下去。Okay. The sucker here lift. Suck up and then sucker on move and then unlock lock here. You can move. Here sensor plus here will be back. And then can unlock will back. Turn with sensor there will be change. Unlock change. For direction you can plug the spacer. Okay. We finish. Okay, 解锁。Sucker down. And in the position there will be position here. Suckers sucked. Then tilting. Up here. And then here I show you the flower. UL and the parts. All these parts will have UL. We finish. Will be put the second glass there. Will be down. It's okay. And then I start down. And there is okay.